What is up, folks? I'm gonna be doing an unboxing episode for today. I got a package from Iligan City. From Iligan City with love. There you go. There. I got this from Sir Jamichi Castellano. Shout out to you, sir. So I'm sure these are jigs. And alright, so I can't wait to open this one. By the way, thank you, Sir Jamichi Castellano, for this one. And I'm very excited to try your jigs, the Exodus jigs. Brookie. Alright, so let's open it. There you go. It's well packed, and as you can see, there's my name. There you go. First one. These are and then this one, I think these are 350 grams jigs. There's a blue, red, and this one is like it's a pink, and then there's
it's my favorite color.
This one is luminous, glow in the dark.
This is my favorite color.
This one is a 200 gram
Neptune.
200 gram jig. This one is 350 grams. Another 200 grams. And oh, it's like three 200 grams jigs and three 350 grams. So these jigs are fast jigs. All right, so I can't wait to try these candies. All right,
I'm so hungry.
Come on, take a look.
I'm so hungry.
Hungry ka diho.
Candies.
These are not candies.
You just said candies.
You wanna eat this?
Candy.
No. Here it goes. There you go. Alright. Alright, once again, thank you, Sir Jamichi Castellano. God bless you. And more power. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.